Biology Review numbers 25 and 26. 25 says, the benefits of spines on a cactus are similar to the benefits of the F. Scales on a butterfly wing, G. Talons on a hawk, H. Whiskers on a cat, J. Shell on a tortoise. Well, the spines on a cactus, think about it. What do you not want to do to the spines of a cactus? You don't want to touch them because they could harm you, and so it makes me stay away from the cactus. I can't get to the actual flesh of the cactus because the spines on it will protect it. So the spines are protection. Okay? So if I look at these, I want to find the one that has a similar benefit. What is the one that is protection for that organism? The scales on a butterfly wing do not protect it. The talons on a hawk. Now, if I had a lot of predators for a hawk, maybe they might use their talons, the talons being their claws, in order to protect themselves, but the hawk really uses its talons to grab its food. So it grasps and kills its food with those talons. So that's more of an attacking type of portion of its body instead of a protective part. The whiskers on a cat are for sensing information. It lets them know how wide areas are. And the shell on a tortoise, well, the shell does protect the tortoise. It can pull itself into it so it can't be eaten. So J is our correct answer. It is a protective part of the tortoise. 26 says, compared to annual rings of trees that have experienced years of sufficient rainfall, sufficient meaning enough or plenty, the annual rings of trees that have experienced a dry period will F. be softer, G. grow at a faster rate, H. be thinner, or J. photosynthesize at a faster rate. Well, if you know how things grow, right, green plants need water in order to survive, in order to grow. Right? They need water to go through photosynthesis. So if there's not going to be enough, if it's very dry, these two that talk about it going through things faster don't make sense, because we can't go through a process faster if we don't have enough water for the process to happen in the first place. So then we have either be softer or be thinner. If you've ever seen dry wood, you know it's not typically soft. But it makes sense that the ring of the tree would be thinner than other rings, because when a tree grows, it grows outward from the center. So you'll see when you cut through a piece of wood, you'll see those tree rings. And if there's plenty of water, that ring can be nice and thick. But when there's not enough water, it will have very little growth, and you'll end up with a very thin ring for that particular year. So our correct answer, if there is a dry period, not enough rain, it will grow less, which means that the ring will be thinner.